Multi-Cure 600 and 800 series adhesives are especially designed for the assembly of glass, metal, plastic, ceramic, magnets, filled nylon, phenolic plastics, polyimide, and dissimilar substrates. The 600 series adhesives cure in seconds upon exposure to broad-spectrum invisible light. The 600 and 800 series adhesives can also be used with activator to fixture opaque surfaces together quickly, forming bonds that are often stronger than the components themselves. Some of the products feature secondary heat cure for assemblies where shadow areas are present. Typical applications include metal bonding, coil winding, DC motor assembly, magnet bonding, and loudspeaker hardware, automotive latches, and glass furniture assembly. Using the adhesive and activator together is an easy three-step process. First, apply the activator over one of the surfaces to be bonded. When using a solvent-containing activator, allow 20 to 30 seconds for the solvent to evaporate. Then, apply a drop or bead of adhesive to the center of the mating surface. Do not spread the adhesive over the bonding surface. Press the parts together firmly and secure for the required fixturing time. The adhesive should cover the bond area. Wipe away any excess. After the parts have cured, they're ready for the next step in the assembly process. Handling strength typically develops in 15 to 20 seconds, with full strength developing after 24 hours. The low VOC, very fast cure, and one-component nature of these materials provide manufacturers with an environmentally friendly alternative to other chemistries, as well as the added benefits of higher throughput and reduced waste. For more information on multi-cure structural adhesives, contact the Dymax application engineering team.